Hello friends. I went on after MBBS to do my MD radio diagnosis from Allahabad, and after passing out from Allahabad in 2000, I went to Jaslok Hospital, Mumbai as an senior resident, and then at Batra Hospital, Delhi. Then I had a short stint as a consultant radiologist at Dehradun, 3D CT scan center. And for the last 11 to 12 years, I am at Agra. I was working at a private diagnostic center till now, but recently 8 of the doctors of Agra have teamed up to open a 140-bedded hospital over there by the name of Synergy Plus Hospital, and I am heading the Department of Radiology over there. I'll hand over the mic to my wife.
Hello everyone, I am Ritu Arora. I have done my BHMS from National Homeopathic College, Lucknow, and happy to see you all.
Hi, I'm Anika. I'm studying in class 8th in St. Conrad's, Agra.
Hi, I'm Abhin. I am studying in class 3rd in St. Conrad's, Agra.
Very good, very good. Thank you, thank you.
Anjali Singh.
Hello everybody, good morning to all. I did my MD from BJ Medical College, Ahmedabad, and I'm working as assistant professor in the same department for last 18 years.
Hi. Anjali forgot to introduce me. I am Mr. Anjali Singh. My name is Sunil Mal.
Great, that's a great introduction.
First of all, congrats to all of you batchmates on your Silver Jubilee function. And congrats again for coming up with a real meaningful and structured program. I am Sunil Mal. I am an engineer by education. I'm currently posted in Ahmedabad as the Commissioner of Customs. I've got 2 sons. The elder one is in 12th, so bogged down with studies and preparation for entrance exams, couldn't come. The younger one is Satvik, he's here. He'll also probably like to speak something.
Hello, my name is Satvik Mal. I study in 5th standard of Rashna School, which is in Ahmedabad. Thank you.
Anju Gupte. Anju Agarwal. Anju Goyal, yes. Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, hello friends. I am Dr. Anju Gupte. Earlier, you know me as Anju Goyal. And after passing MBBS, like I did MS Obs and Gynae from Agra Medical College. Then I went to Bombay, practiced over there for 3 years. And now after that, like I'm settled in Pune. I've made up my own hospital. And this is my husband, Dr. Avnish Gupte, who is also from KGMC.
Hi, I'm Dr. Avnish, know all of you. I'm from 88 batch. Nice to see you all, 90 batch. And I'm very thankful to 90 batch to give me the pride wife. And I have 2 daughters. Younger one is accompanying me, Ishita. You want to say something?
My name is Ishita.
Thank you.
So good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now we have Anshuman Darbari. No, he's not here. Archana Verma. Yes, she's here.
Hello, good morning friends. I'm Archana Verma. Did my MS Gynae from BRD Medical College, Gorakhpur. And presently I'm working as a senior gynecologist with Uttaranchal Provincial Medical Health Services, presently posted at Dehradun. Married to a dermatologist, Dr. Ashok Kataria. And I'm a proud mother of a 18-year-old son, Ambuj Kataria. And unfortunately, they couldn't make it. So I'm all alone here.
Archita Gupta.
Hello everyone, I am Archita. I did MD Onco from Kanpur. practicing as oncologist, my own small setup at Kanpur. My husband, Dr. Vikas Gupta, you all know him.
Hello, I'm Vikas Gupta from the 89 batch, and thanks to nice gathering by Sandeep and all 90 batch juniors, that's fantastic. And I'm a radiologist at Kanpur.
My name is Arav Gupta. I'm in class 6 and I study in Allen House Public School.
Thank you.
Dr. Vikas is not only radiologist, he has not introduced himself fully. So let me complete. He is having the biggest diagnostic center with CT, MRI, CT, NGO, echocardiography, everything at Kanpur.
Arun.
Good morning, everybody. I am Arun Kumar Sharma. I am presently working as an associate professor in Department of Ophthalmology in the KGMU itself. And I am the only fortunate and blessed enough who has not got a single day break in this institution. And here's my family.
Myself, Kalpana. I am a housewife.
I am Madhva Sharma. I study in class 7 in St. Francis College. My name is Samar Sharma. I study in St. Francis College and in class 4C.
Very good. Arvind Kishore Verma. Arvind Yadav.
Hello everyone. I did my MD medicine from SN Medical College, Agra. I completed in 99. Since then, I running my own 100-bedded hospital, that is a multi-specialty hospital. And
Hello, myself, Dr. Geeta Yadav. I am gynecologist.
Hello, my name is Avril Yadav. I study in class 8 DPS.
Ashima is with us. We have been seeing her for the last 3-4 days. She is the Saroj Khan of our batch.
Thank you so much. I got this title very late. Would have got it much before if I would have told my talent out then and there. Anyhow, hi friends. देखिए MD anesthesia किया from Meerut Medical College LLRM. उसके बाद I joined as faculty in Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad. Presently, I am the additional professor and a cardiac anesthetist. So, my husband, he is an MD Ayurveda. We have a series of clinics running in twin cities of Hyderabad and Sikandrabad. The bus is late, so I was just, my eyes are there. If he enters at that time, I can introduce you.
Yeah, we'll come back to him again.
Yes, and I have a daughter, the pride of my life. She's 10 years old, and I need all of you all to bless me, and you all know why. I want your blessings. That's it. Thank you so much.
Avdesh Jaiswal.
Hello friends. After completing my MBBS, I joined MS Orthopedics in Department of Orthopedics, LRM Medical College, Meerut. I stayed there for 1.5 months. Then after I left it, and I did preparation again and joined MCH 5-year neurosurgery course at AIIMS, New Delhi. I completed that, and then after I joined as a specialist neurosurgeon in St. Stephen's Hospital. And after that, I joined as assistant professor in SGPGI Lucknow in Department of Neurosurgery. And recently, I have been promoted to professor in neurosurgery.
Hello, I am Sushila Jaiswal. I did my MBBS from BJ Medical College, Ahmedabad, and MD from NHL Medical College, Ahmedabad. Currently, I am an additional professor in the Department of Pathology, SGPGI only.
Hello everyone, I am Shivansh Jaiswal. I study in DPS LDCO in class 9.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ujral Jaiswal. I'm in 7th standard of Delhi Public School, LDCO.
Thank you. Now, Bhrigu Nath Singh.
गुड मॉर्निंग, मैं भृगुनाथ सिंह। मैंने यहीं से एमडी एनेस्थीसियोलॉजी किया, फिर कैरियर मेडिकल कॉलेज में एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर हूँ और अपना खुद का नर्सिंग होम रन कर रहा हूँ। मेरे 2 बेटे हैं, गोविंद और हर्ष। गोविंद किम्स भुवनेश्वर से एमबीबीएस कर रहा है और हर्ष अभी 11th में है। मेरी वाइफ हाउस वाइफ है।
थैंक यू।
Chandrabal Singh.
सीबी सिंह। हाँ बोलो बोलो, वहीं से बोलो, तुम्हारी आवाज सुनाई पड़ रही है।
अच्छा वो है।
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। सुप्रभात मित्रों।
सुप्रभात।
सखा और सखियों, एमबीबीएस पूर्ण करने के बाद हमने मेडिकल कॉलेज महारानी लक्ष्मीबाई मेडिकल कॉलेज झांसी से एमडी 2001 में कंप्लीट करी। उसके बाद 1 साल तक नहीं पटकते नहीं, गोरखपुर की धरती को आबाद करते रहे। डॉक्टर राजीव मिश्रा की पैथोलॉजी में 1 साल काम किया और हमारे संदीप तिवारी जैसे दिख रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल ऐसे ही दिखते, तो इनको देख के मुझे याद आता है कि हमारे गुरुजी हैं।
क्या बात है।
और उसके बाद 3 मंथ्स तक संजय गांधी अमेठी हॉस्पिटल है, वहाँ पे हमने कंसल्टेंट पैथोलॉजिस्ट की तरह काम किया। उसके बाद अपनी ओन पैथोलॉजी रामा पैथोलॉजी क्लिनिक रायबरेली में कंसल्टेंट पैथोलॉजिस्ट हैं और जिसके डायरेक्टर आपको बताएंगे, इनके अंडर में भाई काम कर रहे हैं।
Hello everyone, good morning. I am Manju Singh. I am the director of RPC and also housemaker.
Hello everyone, I'm Akriti Singh. I'm in 10th, studying in Dayavati Modi Public School.
Hi, I'm Anukriti Singh and I'm in 12th standard, DMPS. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Satyan Singh and I study in class 3rd and I in DMPS.
Very good.
Thank you. I will request all the batchmates to be brief and quick in introduction because we have got 120 slides and the time is only 2 hours.
Next is Davar Rizvi.
He is not here.
He's not here, he's there.
Davar has come.
वो बैठा तो है।
कहाँ दिख रहा है भैया तुमको?
अच्छा,
दावर कहाँ
sorry,
दिख
sorry,
रहा
sorry,
है?
दीप्ति अग्रवाल। Where are you, Deepthi? अच्छा, मैं मेहंदी रजा को
I'm
Davar Rizvi कर रही हूँ।
Deepthi Agarwal. I did my MD Pathology from BRD Medical College, Gorakhpur. Then I gained further 1 year experience in Delhi. And then I started my own pathology in Aliganj, Lucknow. I've got 2 daughters. One is in 9th, other is in 7th. He's my...
Hi, I am Dr. Vivek Agrawal. I am professor of psychiatry here only. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
धर्म राज मौर्य।
DRM.
He is not here.
DRM साहब ये DRM बन गए हैं इस समय लगता है।
He is still asleep. Okay, we'll
Dharmin
come.
Kumar is not here.
ये
DK Singh.
DK Singh.
कहाँ ये?
Hello friends. Good morning. I am Durben Kishore Singh. I am MD from BRD Medical College and I am practicing in Gorakhpur.
Next.
Family? कुछ नहीं.
Farah Gauri.
Farah Gauri is with us. Yes.
Hello everyone, I'm Farah Gauri. I did my MD from here only. At present, I'm settled at Ludhiana. My husband is cardiologist at Dayanand Medical College. I have two kids. One, my son, he's in 9th class, and the daughter is in 3rd class. At present, I'm practicing at a charitable hospital in Ludhiana. Thank you.
Ganeshan.
No, he's not here.
He was there in night.
Gaurav Govil is not there.
Gaurav Govil is coming just now. He's on the way.
Hema Rawat. No, she's not here. Himanshu Krishnan.
Himanshu Krishna.
Still not here.
अभी हैंगओवर उतरा नहीं है.
We'll come back to him later.
JP Maurya. Jiten Kumar Jain hasn't come yet. Jyoti Rastogi.
Yes.
Hello, good morning. I'm Jyoti Rastogi. My husband is Dr. Bhanu Rastogi.
बिल्कुल समझ गए.
I did my MS from Allahabad. I have two kids, Divya and Suhani.
Thank you.
KP Gangwar. KP Gangwar.
Kaveri is there. Yes. Where is she? Not come. Okay. Madhu Kiran has not come.
Mahendra Pratap Singh.
मैं डॉक्टर एम पी सिंह इस समय मैं शाहजहाँपुर में प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ MS ऑर्थोपेडिक झांसी से किया था मैं अपना प्राइवेट नर्सिंग होम रनिंग कर रहा हूँ उस समय
हेलो मेरा नाम उमा गौतम है और मैं हाउसवाइफ हूँ.
Hello, I am Ishika Singh, studying in 9th A from Takshila Public School.
Hi, I'm Umen Singh in class 5th in Takshila Public School.
Thank you. Mamta. Where is Mamta? Mamta Pathak. Not here. Okay,
Manish Bhushan Pandey.
नमस्ते. MD SGPGI लखनऊ से करी रेडियोथेरेपी में. उसके बाद 3 इयर्स सीनियर एजेंसी ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट एम्स से करी. वहीं मैंने DNB रेडिएशन ऑन्कोलॉजी भी किया. और उसके बाद दिल्ली के जितने भी कैंसर सेंटर हैं उनको पवित्र करने के बाद फ्रॉम लास्ट 5 years आई एम एट धर्मशिला कैंसर हॉस्पिटल हेडिंग द रेडियोथेरेपी डिपार्टमेंट. माय वाइफ इज गायनाकोलॉजिस्ट एट दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल एंड आई हैव वन किड Navya. She is 8 years old, studying in class 3 at DPS Noida.
Very good.
All of you are requested to keep your mobile on silent or vibrating mode, please.
Manish Gehtodi.
Manish Gatodi.
He was there yesterday.
He was there yesterday evening.
Manoj Kumar.
मनोज कुमार. मनोज कुमार अभी बाहर घूम रहे थे. मनोज कुमार.
Meenal Jain is
नहीं है.
not here.
मेहंदी रजा.
आजा आजा.
Right. So I did my MBBS from here with you all, as you remember.
No, we don't remember. Sorry.
After that, I sort of went off into the wilderness for a couple of years, did my MD, and that's when I fell in love with, medicine and being a doctor. Then I went to Delhi for a while, didn't like the place, they can't speak properly. Came back, didn't get a senior residency in KGMC, which was the best thing which could happen to me. Went off to SGPGI, did my senior residency, went to England. I wanted to do intensive care, so I trained again for a very, very long time, 9 years. I did intensive care, medicine rotation, did anesthesia, worked in Cambridge and UCH, and then finally got a consultant job in a small hospital. I've got a wife. I married about 3 years ago.
A wife.
We are expecting our first baby, so I couldn't bring her here. So I don't have my family with me, but this is my family as well. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you, everybody.
Meeta.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Meeta Rastogi. I have done DGO from Lucknow. I am doing private practice.
Thank you.
Husband. Introduce your husband, please, Meeta.
My husband, Dr. Vivek Agarwal, he is MD Medicine. We both are doing private practice. I
And
have
your
2
children?
kids,
Yeah.
Soumya and Ishan. My daughter is doing engineering.
Engineering. Yeah. Monica Agrawal.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Monica Agrawal. After doing my MBBS, I did my DGO from the same college, and then in 2002, I did my MS in obstetrics and gynae from Maharani Lakshmibai Medical College, Jhansi. After doing that, I went to Bombay for approximately 2 years, where I was working as a senior registrar in Bombay Hospital. Right now, I am working as an associate professor in Integral Medical College in Lucknow only. And I have a kid, she is a girl, daughter, and she's 7.5 years old and studies in class 2. Thank you.
Monica Dayal. Monica Dayal. Now Monica Sharma. She is not here today. Nalini Gabriel was with us. Yes, she is here.
Hello, good morning. I am Dr. Nalini Garbayal, posted as a senior gynecologist in Greater Noida Medical College, and I have 2 kids, one male, 12th standard, and female, 5th standard.
Thank you.
Namrata
Agrawal.
Hi friends, I'm Namrata. I did my MD Gynae from KGMC only. My husband is Dr. Sameer Agrawal. He's a radiologist by profession running his own diagnostic center in Varanasi. I have 2 kids, Animesh and Ambika, 15 and 14 years of age. Unfortunately, they couldn't make it as my husband is from the same match and he's having his own program today only. Nice meeting all of you after such a long time.
Navneet Jain. Neelu Mahajan. Yes.
Neelu Mahajan.
Where is she? Not
She was
here
there,
yet.
Nidhi Bhatnagar.
Good morning, friends. I'm Nidhi Bhatnagar. I did my MBBS and MD Gynae from here only. And my husband, Mr. Ganesh, is in railways. And I have 2 children. My daughter, she is in class 11. And son, Sashwat, he is in class 8.
What she is doing, she has not explained, but it is displayed here. She is director or managing director of 100-bedded multi-specialty hospital at Kanpur. I'm really thankful to all of you and this college that you have given us, you have groomed my wife from this college. And I'm once again thankful to all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nimisha is not here. Om Prakash.
Chandaula. Om Prakash Chandaula. Om Prakash Chandaula. ऐसा है, सुनो, ये राय साहब की फोटो जानबूझ के लगाई गई है इसमें, क्योंकि राय साहब ने आखिरी मौके तक ना अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन किया और ना वो, तो इसलिए इनका कोई फैमिली डिटेल इन्होंने अपना भेजा ही नहीं है, तो इसलिए दोनों ओम प्रकाश को मिक्स किया गया है जानबूझ करके। फिलहाल ओपी राय साहब अपने बारे में बता दें, क्योंकि चंदौला साहब है नहीं यहाँ पे इस समय।
हेलो, हाँ, मैं डॉक्टर ओपी राय, मैंने एमबीबीएस तो करा यहाँ पे और इसके बाद एमडी पल्मोनरी मेडिसिन में करा हमने कानपुर से, जीएसबी मेडिकल कॉलेज से। देन आफ्टर आई डिड सीनियर रेजिडेंसी फ्रॉम एसजीपीजीआई क्रिटिकल केयर मेडिसिन में, एंड आई डिड एज अ असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन पल्मोनरी मेडिसिन जीएसबीएम मेडिकल कॉलेज, बट राइट नाउ आई एम वर्किंग एज अ सीनियर चेस्ट फिजिशियन इन hospital, state government hospital, that is trauma center Kanpur. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Wife.
हेलो, मेरा नाम प्रिंसदा राय है, मैंने एमए बीएड कर रखा है, मैं हाउसवाइफ हूँ।
Hello, I am Karthikeya Rai. I study in class 8th in Kanpur.
Thank you. Pawan Kumar Bharti. Present, sir.
Good morning all. Myself Pawan Bharti, as you are seeing my name on the board. I did my MD MBBS from here itself. After that I joined Escort Heart Institute, did training in cardiology for 3 years. Then I joined Max Hospital Saket as consultant cardiologist, critical care specialist in cardiology. Worked there for 2 years. After that, I started my own practice at Faridabad. Now, presently, I am doing my clinic, running 30-bedded hospital. My wife is Ruchi Arora. She is a gynecologist.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Ruchi. I did my MBBS DGO from Aligarh JNMC and right now practicing in Faridabad as a gynecologist. She's my daughter. She'll give you introduction.
Good morning, my name is Ishika Arora and I'm studying in 7th standard. Good morning. My name is Divyansh Bharti and I am studying in 3rd standard.
Very good. And
Thank
brave
you.
boy sitting all alone, not with his parents.
Pooja Rastogi.
Pooja Rastogi. That's great.
Pooja Rastogi.
Hello, good morning. I am Dr. Pooja Rastogi. I have done my MBBS from this prestigious college and done my MD also from KGMC. I am presently working as professor and head in forensic medicine and toxicology in Sharda University, Greater Noida. My husband, Mr. Mukul Gupta, he is a sales in charge of North Zone, working in a company MT&T, and I have a small naughty kid, Kunj Gupta. Both of them will join me shortly.
Thank you. Poonam Dikshit.
Now Poonam Tiwari.
हेलो संदीप ने कम बोलने को कहा है लेकिन एक चीज़ बोलना है हम लोग साल भर से इस दिन का इंतज़ार कर रहे थे यहाँ आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और 3 महीने से बहुत ज़्यादा तैयारी भी कर रहे थे मैंने डीजीओ किया है यहीं से अब हम लोग गोरखपुर में प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस करते हैं
Hi, I'm Dr. Arvind Tiwari and fortunately I have been part of this institution because I did my MS General Surgery from here and I can see many of my interns here, including Sandeep. He used to be my intern and then I'm practicing in Gorakhpur as a consultant urologist and I have my own hospital. She is my daughter.
Hello, my name is Oshmi Tiwari. I study in 4th standard.
Hello, I'm Aditya Tiwari and I study in class 10th in St. Paul's, Gorakhpur. Thank you.
Thank you. Pradeep Chauhan.
छोटा चौहान. छोटा चौहान कहाँ गया भाई?
वो रहा छोटा.
अरे क्या बात है, इतना छोटा है कि दिख नहीं रहा है.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग. मैं प्रदीप चौहान. छोटा कहते हैं, वैसे 5 फीट 8 इंच तो हूँ, 9 भी हो सकता है, पर फिर भी छोटा ही रह गया. बड़े वाला, लेकिन यार आज तो बड़े वाला नहीं है तो मैं बड़ा भी कह सकते हो भाई.
भैया लेकिन हमको तो दोनों चौहान याद है ना, बड़ा छोटा छोटा चौहान.
Good. Well, after doing my MBBS from this prestigious college, I went to Delhi. I did my house job from Safdarjung Hospital. Then I joined pediatrics, DNB. I did DNB pediatrics from DDU only. And then I started my own hospitals in Delhi, 2 hospitals. I was there for 7-8 years. After that, I thought, yeah, I should go to my native place. And then I got migrated to a place known as Chutmalpur near Roorkee. And I'm running my own hospital over there. I'm here with my wife, my 2 beautiful kids. And she is Dr. Monica, my wife.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Monica Singh, and I've been with him all my life, I feel. I'm practicing Obs Gynae with him in Chutmalpur, but today I want to take this platform to introduce myself as I've ventured into something new, so it's just not Obs and Gynae that I'm doing, and I would rather, can I take 2 minutes? Yeah, thank you. I would rather tell something more and what I've added to myself using this platform. For the last couple of years, I've started extensively working on the consciousness, the human consciousness, the way it affects our evolution, our children, and we as obstetricians, gynecologists, doctors have tremendous role to educate our children, not just children, but our patients, especially the obstetric patients, with an awareness that the consciousness of the baby, when the child is still inside the womb and being delivered after 6 hours of the delivery, the consciousness is super high. And if you know about the subconscious mind, the blueprinting, the belief systems are 88% set inside the child in utero and post-delivery. And believe me, after the child is of 2 years age, only his belief systems keep on repeating as the programs in the life. And as you know, we read so many self-help books. And after reading the books, now that maybe after 3 days, we are back to the square one. Our lives don't change. Why doesn't it change? Because our belief systems are there in our hardware. So I have started diving deep into the subconscious minds, derooting the old belief systems, replacing them. I've trained with people in US and UK. I'm doing a research with Dr. Bruce Lipton. He is in US right now. Believe me, a lot of work is going on blueprinting and subconsciousness in the US. Still some 10 years to come in India, but I've really see myself inclined towards this. So this is my motto and agenda of my life, to bring this awareness in our society and see how far we can help the upcoming progeny. We actually, as obstetricians, if teach our mothers, our obstetricians, that the way they have to be during the 9 months, the life of the fetus who is going to be is going to change. Thank you so much.
Monica.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kanika Chauhan, class 10, Delhi Public School, Roorkee.
Pradeep Mendiratta is here. Pradyumna Agarwal.
I request all of you to sit with your spouses and children so that we can quickly cover all of us.
बस वही बोल दें. Myself Pradyumna Agarwal, practicing as an ophthalmologist in Kanpur. My wife Shilpi Agarwal, she's a housewife, and my 2 daughters Shubhi Agarwal and Mahika Agarwal. Shubhi is in class 10th and Mahika is in class 4th.
Thank you, Pradyumna.
Prashant Agarwal.
Prashant Agarwal. Prashant Kumar is not there here. Praveer Rai.
Good morning. I am Praveer Rai. So after doing my MBBS from this place, I did my MD medicine from Kanpur, completed in 2000. After that, I did my DM gastroenterology from IMS BHU. And since 2007, I have joined SGPGI. Right now, I'm as an additional professor in gastroenterology department. My wife, she will be just joining shortly. She is MS Gynae, practicing. And my daughter, 9-year-old, she is Sanvi. Thank you.
Because it has been a long time since we last met each other. The first one is Aditya Maheshwari. Aditya, you are the first one. So, this is Aditya.
Hello, hello everybody.
In each slide, there is one photograph, black and white, which was pasted by you in your admission form, and another is recent photograph, and then one is a family photograph.
That photograph is long back in 1988. First one, black and white. The next one is the recent one, this year. Hello friends, I am at Bareilly. I did my MS Ortho from Kanpur. After that, I settled in Bareilly itself for last 18 years. I am practicing there as an orthopedic surgeon in private hospital, the Srinath Medicity Hospital.
My name is Mrs. Parul Maheshwari, wife of Dr. Adit Maheshwari. I am a housewife. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shivangi. I study at in Chikka International School in class 9. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ishita Maheshwari. I study in class 5th.
That's very nice. Thank you so much. The next one is Ajit Kumar Singh. What's that? It's not here? Okay, we'll come back to him again. The next is Akhilesh Kumar Singh. I hope he's here. Yeah.
Hello, I am Akhilesh Kumar Singh,
I done MS from this same college, and I'm practicing in Unnao, private practice, and I'm running my own hospital, orthopedic and maternity center. It's a 50-bedded hospital.
I'm Dr. Rekha Singh, working as gynecologist in the private hospital in Unnao, Muskan Hospital.
Hi, I'm Anushka Singh, studying in 6th class in St. Lawrence School. Hello, I am Sarthak Singh of 4th class of St. Lawrence School.
Thank you, thank you.
The next one is Alka Vashne. Then Amit Agarwal. Amit Kumar Singhal.
Mic, please, mic, please. Please pass on the mic. Those who can speak without mic, they can.
Hello. Yeah. Myself, Amit. I did my MBBS from this place, 95 I left and joined anesthesia in Aligarh. Then I did senior residency and pool officer from All India Institute. Then I moved to Tata Memorial Hospital as an assistant professor, left from there as an associate professor, joined Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, Delhi as an associate professor and head, started DM in liver transplant anesthesia and postdoctorate certificate course there and became additional professor. In 2012, I shifted to corporate hospital, BL Kapoor Hospital. I am presently heading liver transplant anesthesia and organ transplant intensive care unit there in BL Kapoor Hospital.
I am Dr. Nutan Agarwal. I have done my BDS from KGMC, 92 batch, and I am doing private practice right now.
These are my two beautiful daughters, my pride. The elder one is Prisha Singhal. She is 8 years, going to be 9. And the younger one is Avni Singhal. Prisha is in class 4, Avni is in class 2. Prisha is a very good Kathak dancer, you would see tomorrow. And both are my pride as they are very good in studies and all. They are studying in Springdale School, Delhi. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. Then we come to Amit Taneja. I hope he's here. Anand Tripathi. He is still sleeping? We'll again come back to him.
अकेले आए हो क्या? सामने आ जाओ, सामने.
क्या बोलेंगे यार, हमसे क्या बुलवा रहे हो?
अपने बारे में बता दो.
अपना नाम
बोलो ना, जल्दी बोलो.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं डॉक्टर आनंद त्रिपाठी.
अच्छा, डॉक्टर है भाई. ये बढ़िया है. ये भैया पता चल गया.
मैं चाहता हूं कि मुझे आप उसी नाम से याद रखें. और
बोले
हम लोग सिल्वर जुबली में नहीं.
भैया आनंद जी प्लीज. आनंद जी प्लीज. आनंद भैया, अपने बारे में और अपने परिवार के बारे में बताना है, बाकी शाम को.
बहुत चीजें डिस्प्ले में हैं, अब ज्यादा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं फिलहाल यहाँ सीएमओ ऑफिस में डिप्टी सीएमओ रैंक पे काम कर रहा हूँ और मेरी पत्नी डॉक्टर प्रीति जो है वो एमडी आयुर्वेद में है और अपना हॉस्पिटल लखनऊ में चला रही है.
मीरा हॉस्पिटल करके.
Morning to you all. I am Dr. Rahul. I did my MBBS. After that, I joined Army for as a short commission services. I took release from Army as a major. Then I did my MS from Delhi. and fellowship in breast cancer. Now I am practicing as a consultant surgery in Meerut. My wife, Sneha, she's a housewife, and 2 kids, Ishita, studying in 10th, and Raghav, he's studying in 2nd standard. Thank you.
You can see on the top there is a date with birthday cake. So that is the date of birth of that fellow. You can remember जिसकी याद रखनी हो.
Rajiv Gupta.
पीछे माइक दो.
Hello, good morning everybody. I am Rajiv Gupta. I completed my MBBS from here. Completed my post-graduation from Meerut. I am working in Chandosi as an orthopedic surgeon. My wife, Dr. Savita Varshne, practicing as a gynecologist. I have 2 kids, Manasvi Gupta and Swaraj, 16 years old and 12 years old.
Thank you, Rajiv.
Rajiv Verma.
Rajiv Verma.
Morning, my friends. As you know, I have done my MS from Government Medical College Patiala, then did my senior residency from Safdarjung, then went abroad for around 8-9 years to do some higher training in UK. And as they say, I have flown back to my nest after around 9 years. I am practicing as a consultant in Fortis Hospital, Gurgaon, as orthopedic surgeon. Thank you. And this is my wife, Sonal, she is practicing in Medanta, and my daughter, Chavi, and son, Abhay. Thank you.
Rajesh Sharma.
Rajesh Sharma.
At senior residency from JTB, Delhi, and now I am practicing in my own town, Saharanpur. My wife, Seema.
Hello, good morning everybody. I'm Dr. Seema Sharma. I'm practicing orthodontist in Saharanpur and professor in DAV Dental College, Yamunanagar. And our son, Aryan.
Good morning everyone. I'm Aryan. I'm studying in 8th grade in Wellenboy School.
I'm Manasvi Sharma. I'm in 5th standard, DPS, Saran.
Thank you, Rajul Tandon.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rajul Tandon. It's great to see all of you here. I must say thanks to the organizing committee. Probably for the first time, I'm able to speak in this hall on a microphone, which I think is a great thing. We always used to hear and listen to all our teachers. So after completing my MBBS, I did my MD in psychiatry from this college only. And I worked in the same department as a research associate for about 3 to 4 years. After that, I went to Australia and I've been working there for the last 11 years. Currently, I'm working part-time as a public psychiatrist and part-time as a private psychiatrist. And just this year, I've taken up some teaching for the Deakin University as well. And this is my beautiful family, and let them introduce themselves.
Hello all, my name is Nidhi. I'm a dentist. I'm practicing in Ballarat. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Matri Nandan and I'm in grade 5 and studying in Ballarat Grammar.
Hey, my name is Manu Dandan and I'm studying grade 3 at Ballarat Grammar.
Thank you, thank you. राकेश कुमार सक्सेना. क्या बात है, सबसे पीछे से आया एकदम से. Always on the top. सक्सेना जी ने वही जगह पकड़ी है जो लेक्चर हॉल में पकड़ते थे फार्माकोलॉजी में पीछे से भागने के लिए.
So, I am in PMS, posted at district committee as a gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon. My wife Ruby and my 2 kids Prakhar and Shikhar. Thank you.
Thank you, Rakesh ji. Ramesh Chandra. Ramesh Chandra. Rupali Raj.
child, Sahil, is in MBBS first year, and Zoya, she is in class 12 Loreto, and my younger one, Sameer, is in class 9, St. Francis. My husband is MD of colleges, and I am running here my own private Raj nursing home.
Thank you, thank you. Roshan Lal Nautiyal.
आया तो है.
Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Roshan Nautiyal. I did both my MBBS as well as MS from this prestigious college. And right now I am practicing in Dehradun. This is my wife, Vinita.
Hello, everybody. I am Dr. Vinita Nautiyal. I'm working in a government hospital in Dehradun.
I am Siddharth Nautiyal. I study in 6th Brightland School, Dehradun.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anushka Nautiyal, and I am studying in 3rd standard in Brightlands in Dehradun.
Very good.
Name is Ruchi Juyal. I did my DCH after completing MBBS from GSVM, and after that I got married and joined SRship in Himalayan Institute of Medical Sciences, Jolly Grant, and then I had my daughter. We went into private practice, and then I realized that I was giving less time to my daughter as compared to others' children. So I left the private practice and did MD PSM, now known as community medicine. Now I am professor in community medicine in the same medical college. My husband, Dr. Anil Juyal, is professor in orthopedics in same medical college at Jolly Grant. I have 2 kids. Ayushi, she is in 9th class in Brightlands, and Akshat, he is in 5th class. Thank you so much.
रुक जाओ, आशीष गया माइक.
दो पहुंच गए सागर के.
Because Sagar is very fond of speaking on mics, so दो माइक पहुंच गया उनके पास इसीलिए.
Hello, check.
Hello, check.
बड़े दिनों के बाद सागर बेदी सुनाई दिया, or as they call it in US, Dr. Sagar Bedi. So, I am Sagar Bedi. My biggest qualification is aap sabka pyar that I got all along the years that I was here. I left India right after graduation. I did my residency in emergency medicine and trauma with Minnesota, University of Minnesota. Then uske baad ek residency maine Canada mein ki, family practice ki. After that, for 10 years, I was in California, then moved to Dallas. Abhi Dallas ke ek suburb mein, Allen mein rehta hu. I have my wife here with me, Anjali, and I have my 2 daughters, Gia and Ayana, and Gia is going to introduce everybody.
Hi, my name is Gia Betty. I'm in 3rd grade. I'm 8 years old, and I live in Dallas, Texas.
Thank you, Gia.
Thank you so much.
Sandeep Kumar Gupta. इनकी MBBS की फोटो पे भी ध्यान दे लीजिएगा और इस समय की भी.
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग. मैं डॉक्टर संदीप कुमार गुप्ता. मैं यहाँ पर MBBS यहाँ से करने के बाद मैंने यहीं से MD मेडिसिन की, और यहाँ पर मैं अपना नर्सिंग होम चला रहा हूँ, MB हॉस्पिटल एंड रिसर्च सेंटर.
एक चला रहे हैं, दूसरा चलने को तैयार हो रहा है.
Dr. Ritu Gupta, PhD from Kanpur University, and I am at present administrating my own hospital, NB Hospital and Research Center.
Good morning. My name is Athar Gupta. I am in 3rd standard study hall.
Hey, I am Stakshi Gupta. I study in class 6 in Loreto Convent Intermediate College, Lucknow.
थैंक यू. संदीप की ये पिक्चर देख के याद आ रहा है, हम क्या थे, क्या हो गए हैं और क्या होंगे अभी.
Now Sandeep Tiwari.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी. जैसे देख रहे हैं मैं कितना मासूम था और आज भी उतना ही मासूम हूँ. कहते ना, नहीं यहीं से. अरे चुप पे रहो, वहां आ रहे हैं. पहले बता लेना था वहां आ रहे हैं. अभी क्लास से बाहर कर दिए जाओगे. दंगाई लोगों को क्लास में नहीं बढ़ाया जाता. तो मैं छोटा सा प्यारा सा मुन्ना सा बच्चा हूँ. I did my MS from here, and that I did 3 years senior residency from KGMC only. I was the first person in the history of KGMC who did 3 years senior residency, and since then 3 years senior residency is going on. Then I joined as an assistant professor here in 2004, and presently I am professor in surgery and deputy medical superintendent as well as additional warden of TG. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. I am Vandana Tiwari and I am housewife.
Hello, I am Satvik Tiwari. I study in class 8 in CMS.
Hello, I'm Shwetakshi Tiwari and I study in CMS in class 7th.
Thank you so much.
Sanjay Gupta.
I am Sanjay Gupta. I did my MS from Agra, SNMC Agra, and after that I joined a medical college in Bareilly, SRMS IMS, and I am now the professor is there, and my wife is.
I am Dr. Ruchi Khandelwal, working as a pathologist in SRMS IMS Bareilly. I am associate professor in the department. I am from your junior batch, and regards to all my seniors sitting here. And we have a son, his name is Prakhar.
Hello everyone, I am Prakhar Khandelwal and I am in 7th class studying in DPS Bareilly.
Thank you. Sanjay Patel.
मैं संजय पटेल, मैंने ऑर्थोपेडिक्स से एमएस किया कानपुर जाके और उसके बाद पीएमएस ज्वाइन किया। पीएमएस ज्वाइन करने के बाद एक छोटा सा हॉस्पिटल चला रहा हूँ।
कहाँ पे?
खुशीनगर, एक इंटरनेशनल प्लेस है। शायद अगर कभी आप लोगों को मौका मिले तो आइएगा।
पत्नी और बच्चे? अरे पत्नी और बच्चों के बारे में तो
मेरा एक बेटी है रिया पटेल 15 साल की और लोकेश बच्चा है और यही है।
संजय तिवारी।
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। कल से आनंद आ रहा है और उम्मीद है कि आज भी आएगा और कल भी आएगा।
आनंद लेट आया लेकिन आज
मैंने इंडियन रेलवेज ज्वाइन की आफ्टर लिविंग डी ऑर्थ and joined railways in 1998 through UPSC 96 batch. I've been posted at Varanasi, Lucknow, Gorakhpur, and at present I am medical superintendent in Northeastern Railways. My wife Kopal, she's working with basic education UP government, and my daughter.
Hello everyone, my name is Devanshi Tiwari and I am studying in Standard 11, City Montessori School, and I am an aspiring doctor.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh Tiwari. I am studying in class 6 in City Montessori School.
Thank you. Sanjeev Kumar Kholbe.
After MBBS, I did MS General Surgery from Kanpur.
Mic pass mouth.
And after MS General Surgery, I did MCH in Cardiothoracic Surgery from SMS Jaipur. I am presently working as a senior consultant cardiothoracic surgeon at Apollo Hospital, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. And plus, I'm also looking after, coordinating the heart and lung transplant surgery there in Apollo Hospital also. My wife, my children.
Hello, good morning. I'm Dr. Aparna. I did my MD medicine from KGMC, right now practicing at Hyderabad. This is my daughter.
Good morning. My name is Shambhavi Khulbe. I study in 7th standard at BBPPS, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
Hello, my name is Aja Khulbe and I study in 2nd. My school name is BBPPS. Thank you.
Very good. She's so happy.
Dr. Santosh Kumar Srivastava, PG in pathology in this college. I'm running a Lal hospital. My wife Rachna, she is helping
Hello, good morning. I am Rachna Srivastav, Administrator, Lal Hospital, Krishna Nagar, Lucknow. Thank you. We have a daughter, Sanskriti Srivastav, studying in 11th, St. Mary's, and one child, Sanskar Srivastav, studying in class 9th. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarika. I'm practicing in Gurgaon and doing ultrasounds in Paras hospitals. My husband Alok is from same college and he's practicing surgery in the same hospital. I have two sons, Shubhang and Arjun. Shubhang is in class 12 and Arjun is in class 8. Thank you.
Thank you. Shalini Jain.
Hello everybody, I'm Shalini Jain. After doing MBBS, I did DGO from this college only. And then I joined Indian Railways. And at present I am posted near Patna in Barauni.
Myself, Dr. Praveen, I'm a dentist. I'm in Bihar Dental Office.
Hi everyone, I'm Vidushi Gupta. I'm studying in 7th standard.
Hello, my name is Ishan Gupta.
Shalini Agarwal is not there. Shalini Agarwal is not there. Shefali Chopra is not there. Shilpi Bansal.
Hi everybody, myself Dr. Shilpi Bansal. I have done my post-graduation from Jhansi and nowadays I am practicing as a pediatrician in Delhi. My husband is not here, he is a chartered accountant. I have two kids, Manika Bansal, she is studying in 6th class and my son Siddharth Bansal, he is studying in class 7th. He is not here.
Show your face to everybody. Thank you. Shobit Kakkad. Shobit Kakkad.
Good morning, friends. A memorable day for all of us. I'm Shobit Kakkad. I did my MS in ophthalmics from KGMC, and after that,
Shobit Kakkad urf mummy.
आपका प्यार मुझे पुराने दिनों की याद दिलाता है. That's a big honor for all of us, and that is what we have all come here for. After completing my MS in ophthalmics, I did a 2-year vitreoretinal fellowship from Retina Foundation, Ahmedabad. And after that, I did a fellowship for focal-emulsification surgery and then have settled down in Lucknow, running my own hospital. She's my wife, Dipali.
Good morning, everyone. I work as a management consultant, and it's been definitely a memorable occasion for all of you. But believe me, it is a pleasure to be here as the spouse of the batch, as Shobit's spouse here, because it gives me a chance to reconnect with the families of the batchmates here as well. My son, Samarth, is not here, couldn't make it in the morning. He's in class 11 and he is also taken bio. So probably, sometime, somewhere, he'll also be walking the footsteps. Here is Shanjini, and she'll introduce herself.
Good morning everyone, I'm Shanjini Kakkar. I study in class 7 at La Martiniere Girls College, Lucknow.
Thank you.
स्मिता चंद्रा नहीं वो उसका वो सेकंड पेज था नहीं देखो ये देखो.
Hello everyone, and I'm Dr. Smita. Previously I was Smita Tandon and now I'm Smita Chandra. I have done my MS in Obs and Gynae.
डॉक्टर कब बनी?
जब तुम बने साथ
डॉक्टर स्मिता टंडन तो इसलिए मैंने कहा.
I've done my MS in Obs and Gynae from Allahabad, and since then for last 15 years I'm running my own nursing home in Varanasi, and my spouse Dr. Rahul Chandra, he's a consultant ophthalmologist, and I have got two children. My older one is Shubh Chandra. He is in class 9th. 14 years old. And my younger daughter, Kavya, is here. She's going to introduce herself.
Hello, I am Kavya. I study in class 4th of Delhi Public School, Varanasi.
Thank you. Smita Singh.
Hello everybody, good morning. I am Smita and I did my PG DGO from this college only, and I have two lovely kids. Elder one is Arav, he is in class 12th, giving his pre-boards. Even today he is gone for his pre-board. And my lovely daughter, she is 8 years old, Alankrita. And after doing my DGO, I did my private practice, and I have a small setup here in Lucknow. And I'm also working in an NGO which is USA funded as PSI, and I'm consultant over there. And as many of you know that my husband is no more. I'm missing him, and he was orthopedic surgeon, and he passed out from this college. And 5 years back, he suffered acute massive MI. Thank you.